It's a cloudy, drizzly Sunday morning, y'all. Once again, I'm very much looking forward to this coffee. I'm just making some of the maple bacon and eggs this morning. Check that out. What?
We're really
66 degrees. I know there's still a lot of green, but it's feeling like fall. Y'all are not going to believe this. It is now 12:24, and look at that temperature.
It's gonna snow. When the wind's blowing, it's a little cool.
Yeah, we're going to stop at Betty's because we're so happy about it 65 degrees.
Yeah, and we have to get some
I need
wood for the
bananas.
car.
We're gonna get out here and just do some caroling.
Oh, please.
And also,
Silent night.
what temperature? It's only 65.
Yes, it's only 65.
65.
Right, it is.
On my birthday, I want to go to the mountain coaster.
Okay,
He's always thinking about his birthday.
right. If not birthday, Christmas.
Thinking about different presents he might want. Betty is friendly, but she will tow your vehicle.
Oh, yeah, if you park here, not going into her place, yeah.
I mean, she's got signs everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Betty's customer parking only, others will be towed.
At owner's expense.
Betty's parking only.
And they go ahead and
towed.
let you know the towing fee is $175.
Go ahead and let them know. That way they understand.
Why are we going in here? Is that Betty's?
Yeah, this is Betty's. They have the Mountain Travelers. That's the one I already have. I love to get the Mountain Traveler. Today's special, smash burger, $7.99.
Smells good.
Mm-hmm. Huh? Where's what at?
The ducks.
Oh, ducks are over here. Over here. Which kind you want, Manny?
I want one of these? Yeah. Actually, I think I'll get a duck.
Okay,
Manny,
never mind. Now he thinks he'll get a duck. There's a, oh, there's one. Here's a brown duck.
Oh, and here's a cool duck.
Oh, yeah, that's a cool one with the smiley face.
Actually, I think I'll get these.
Okay, I need bananas and maple syrup. And what else did I say? coffee, but I don't know if they have the kind of coffee we
I
get
want
here.
to get more.
Yeah. We're trying to find the samples.
I can never find them.
Oh, right here, right there.
That's not the right thing.
No, they need some tongs over here. That's about a quarter pound right there. I've picked up a lot of 1 pound packs of ground beef. It's a quarter. It's a quarter. Yeah. Like I said, I picked up a lot of 1 pound packs of ground beef. I know. Coconut Lone Boys chewy caramel bar made with real coconut. Smoothie peanut butter cups. What is a line candy bar?
Yeah.
Gummy berries.
Ready?
Look for apple cider donuts.
Yeah, we'll see if they have some.
You want to boil some cabbage?
Boil some cabbage down.
Yeah, boil some cabbage down. Banana cream,
Oh, yeah.
flavored pudding, and pie filling. Easy to make, no bake recipes. There you go. We'll try this, y'all. Lo and behold, why would this be near? You know what I mean? If you was on Chopped and they gave you all this, what would you do?
Yeah.
I know
And
what
they
I would
said,
do.
don't make banana pudding. Then what would you do?
Mom, can you hold this for me?
Yeah. They have the coconuts here. But they're $6.99. The ones at Ingles are only $4 something. Oh, I think they redid their honey thing a little bit there.
Yeah, they got honey bakes here.
Yeah, oh, they do have some now, yeah. They're the bees. Right here, Alley Bees Wildflower.
Okay, that'd be good.
Where is maple syrup? Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Sharp cheddar.
Mom, which one's the bottom? Which one's the bottom?
That's the bottom.
Let's go to the checkout.
Bye, Grams. We've got another rainy one today, y'all, and cool. But the heat is gonna return, which I'm not sad about. It's not gonna be too hot. It's gonna be like 70s, upper 70s, mid 80s. Cause I'm still not ready for those cold winter days to roll back around. But you know, 60s and 70s, that's good. That's like perfect temperature. Switching out the laundry real quick, and then we're gonna make the easiest Sloppy Joe Tater Tot Casserole ever. Maybe not ever, but one of the easiest ever. I almost made some kind of soup because with it looking all rainy and stuff out there, the wind's blowing and kind of cool, it feels like a soup day. Are y'all having some cool days too, or is it still really hot where you are? I know a couple of y'all said already that it was in the 60s where y'all were too.
Who wants to see my slime?
Got some slime?
It came with slime. Have hair.
You got a new hairstyle?
Yes, Sissy did it.
Oh. It's time for haircuts, but right now they're having a lot of fun with his longer hair. Definitely eye-catching. And everything.
It's Christmas Eve. We're watching a Christmas movie though.
You only need 4 ingredients for this Sloppy Joe Tater Tot Casserole. Ground beef, tater tots or crispy crowns. We have the crispy crowns. 2 cans of, are you ready for it? Manwich. This is a childhood favorite of mine. I got nothing against your Manwich. Last thing, shredded cheese. We're using this Gouda and cheddar blend. So first we're just gonna cook the ground beef on the stovetop. Turn that on to medium. Let me get my apron. Sloppy Joes have always been a favorite of mine. You put some Manwich on a soft, fluffy hamburger bun. Have some french fries with some ketchup. Happiness floods my soul. So this was a little over 2 pounds of ground beef. We're using all of it. While this is cooking, I'm gonna spray the casserole dish over here. I've got a 9x13. We're gonna put a layer of the crispy crowns on the bottom.
Cook the lettuce off of her mama wasn't looking.
Oh, she ate her mama's lettuce. You did?
Yeah, because I had peanut butter Oreos.
Alright, we got the ground beef drained. Now we're just going to pour in both cans of the Manwich sauce. Turn that down a little bit. Okay, we put the sloppy joe mixture right on the top of the crispy crowns. Now we put the cheese on top. Okay, now we put the rest of the crispy crowns on the top. Okay, we're just going to spread a little bit of olive oil on top of the crispy crowns on top because that'll just make them extra crispy. And that's it. It's going in the oven for 25 to 35 minutes. It's great, y'all. There's only one thing missing. Now we're ready to eat.